Right now, 3 of the suspects involved in that huge brawl downtown over the weekend have made their first court appearances.
So our Brenda Ordonez, she was in court. She's joining us live now with the very latest. Brenda, what can you tell us? Are they all facing the same charges?
Yeah, guys, good morning. Court just wrapped up about 30 minutes ago. Jordan, they're not all facing the same charges. We do know the 3 defendants, Montanez, Merriweather, Takira, Vernon, and Jeremiah Matthews, did appear before a judge. Take a look at their mugshots here. Matthews is facing an assault charge and aggravated riot, while Merriweather and Vernon are both facing aggravated riot and felonious assault and assault charges, with prosecutors saying their actions furthered the violence. A detective says Vernon was initially not involved and was standing on the sidewalk when the brawls broke out. The investigator that spoke out then says Vernon intentionally inserted herself by jumping in and punching a woman who was trying to protect and help one of the victims on the ground. Now, prosecutors say that woman that was punched suffered serious injuries and a concussion. The 3rd defendant, Jeremiah Matthews, his defense says he has a business in that area, and that's why he was there when he was approached by a group who the defense claims got confrontational with one of the men, hitting him in the face. Video did capture that moment, followed by several people then hitting the individual who allegedly struck Matthews. Now, the defense does claim that Matthews was trying to stop the fight, but prosecutors claim he was coordinating the attacks with Merriweather. Prosecutors say Merriweather whispered something to Matthews before getting behind one of the victims and hitting them.
Mr. Merriweather's involvement in this, we believe that he coordinated this with Mr. Matthews. He's walked up to him on a video, whispered something to him, and then strategically placed himself behind the victim as the assault begun.
And then punched from that behind.
And he strikes him up over top, side of the face.
Yeah, now we did speak to Merriweather's family after the hearing. They say that there's more to the story. They say that the picture that prosecutors are painting him out to be is not true. They say he's a father to biracial children who he loves and cares for. They claim that before the brawls broke out, that the group was throwing racial slurs and actually spit on Merriweather. Of course, that's all still under investigation. Now, we do know, though, that they got pretty hefty bonds. Merriweather got a $500,000 bond, cash assured. Vernon got a $200,000 bond. Matthews got a $100,000 bond. Now, all of them cannot possess firearms, and they are ordered to stay away from the victims. They are all expected back in court on August 8th. Now, we are going to continue following this developing story and bringing you the latest. For now, downtown, Brenda Ordonez, Fox 19 Now.
And Brenda, quick question. I know that this is all coming at you very quickly, so you're trying to get this all in an orderly fashion and out to us. I'm just wondering, did any of those people in court say anything? I know prosecutors are putting up, obviously, the case, and then defense attorneys are answering and going through the motions. Did the people involved say anything to the judge?
Yeah, no, none of them actually spoke a word during the entire hearing today. We do know that some still images, though, were presented to the judge that allegedly show those moments that prosecutors are saying that Merriweather and Matthews were coordinating the attack. But as for speaking for these defendants, not a word was said.
Okay.
All right,
Brenda Ordonez, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, we'll check in with her later as well as she's continuing to cover that story for us.